Igor Rurikovich, c. 877-945, was Prince of Kiev from 912 to 945. Traditionally, he is considered to be the son of Rurik, who established himself at Novgorod and died in 879, while Igor was an infant. Little is known about Igor's early life. He is first mentioned in the primary chronicle in 912, when he is described as being married to Olga, the daughter of Prince Oleg of Novgorod. Oleg had ruled Kiev as regent for Igor since Rurik's death, but he died in 902, leaving Igor as the sole ruler of Kiev. Igor's reign is best known for his military campaigns against the Byzantine Empire. In 941, he led a large army of Kievan Rus warriors on a raid against Constantinople. The Byzantines were caught off guard, and Igor's forces were initially successful. However, the Byzantines eventually rallied and defeated the Kievan Rus' forces. Igor returned to Kiev and began to prepare for another campaign against the Byzantines. However, in 945, he was killed by a group of Drevlians, a Slavic tribe that lived north of Kiev. The Drevlians were angry at Igor for imposing heavy taxes on them. Igor's death was a major setback for the Kievan Rus. His wife, Olga, avenged his death by leading a bloody campaign against the Drevlians. Olga's victory over the Drevlians helped to consolidate the power of the Kievan Rus and paved the way for the reign of her son, Sviatoslav I. Despite his relatively short reign, Igor Rurikovich was an important figure in the early history of the Kievan Rus. He was the first prince of Kiev to rule independently of the Varangians, and his military campaigns helped to expand the power and prestige of the Kievan Rus.